There are many reasons to love classic cars. Most people drive them because they look cool and sound good. A lot of folks enjoy them because of the memories they've made in them, and some savvy collectors buy them based on numbers alone. Occasionally, a car like this awesome 1969 Trans Am comes along and presents the rare opportunity to bundle all of those attractive traits into one exceptionally cool package. One of only 520 1969 Ram Air III 4-speed Trans Am coupes produced, this Pontiac is a culmination of detailed maintenance and focused restoration. The car's all-original sheet metal is solid throughout, with smooth, flat panels that are complemented by better-than-factory alignment. And those surfaces wear a correct coat of Cameo Ivory 2-stage, which has been appropriately decorated with a blue valance, awesome Trans Am callouts, and silky ribbon stripes. Inside, you'll find a correct blue vinyl interior that's been brought back to life with a roster of high-quality reproduction components. Tall bucket seats provide comfortably firm support and display no fading or tears. A clean dash finds restored gauges next to Delco-GM audio, an aftermarket oil pressure gauge, and optional factory accessory gauges. And the driver turns a formula steering wheel paired with a tilting column, while rowing a Hurst shifter. Under the hood, 400 cubic inches of original Pontiac power hides a familiar casting number behind a Ram Air III-spec assembly stamp and a matching partial VIN. That power is managed by an original Muncie 4-speed that sends it back to a 10-bolt rear with posi-traction. If you're looking for a documented Detroit muscle car that mixes original numbers-matching performance with striking factory-correct aesthetics, congratulations, it's your lucky day. Don't miss the chance to take home this incredible Trans Am. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.